Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this simple one. We are to express 250 degrees as a compass bearing. So we need to draw the Cartesian plane and represent that. So if I draw this is the north. Remember the east, the south, and the west, right? That is our on the compass. We are reading 250 from the north, always in the clockwise direction. So when I move 90, when I get to this 180, 180 plus 70. So we should have here all the way from here. So from here up to this place, give us 250 degrees. Now in reading the compass bearing, we are going to read from north towards the west, or I mean from south towards the west, or south towards the east. North towards the east, north towards the south. That's how the measurement or the reading is done. So now I am going to move from here, from south towards the west, meeting where 250 line reach, and that will be giving me here 70 degrees. Here will be 20 degrees. So this is the movement. If I am going to move, I am going to stand on the south and make a movement of 70 towards the west. That will give me a complete 250. So I am going to say that south movement towards the west 70 degrees, and this become the final answer. Remember, we are not picking the reference angle as in this case. If you are going to pick this, if this is here, remember we cannot stand on this. You don't know where this is going to be, but you can tell where your south is. So on the south, you are journeying towards the west and you are measuring 70 degrees. So as you are able to do that, this become the compass bearing we are looking for. I think on the possible answers, that will have been the B or so. All right, like, share, comment, and subscribe.